Hi, I'm Kristin with Houston Public Library, and today we're going to be learning about zines and how to make a basic 8-page zine out of one sheet of paper. So if you're wondering what a zine is, I've got a definition from Austin Public Library. Zines are small circulation, generally self-published work devoted to the arts, memoir, countercultural topics, outsider perspectives, and other forms of creative expression. These works are usually photocopied, handmade, and highly visual. They often include photographs, drawings, and other images, essays, poetry, interviews, personal observations, recipes, reviews, and more. So as you can see, there are lots of different ways that people use zines. And today we're just going to focus on how to make a basic one, and you can do whatever you'd like with it. So for this, the supplies you're going to need are one sheet of paper and scissors. So I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper here and scissors. So you can really use whatever kind of paper you want. All right, so to start, we're going to fold it horizontally, hot dog style. Crease it there. And then we're going to open it back up and fold it in half the other way, hamburger style. Crease it there. And then you're going to open it up ways, and you're going to take each side and fold it into the middle. Make sure you get some good creases on it, because that will help in a minute when we're folding it into a book shape. Okay, so nice right there in the middle. All right, and then if you open it up, you'll see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different squares, and those are going to be our pages. So go ahead and flip it over, and you can see we've also got 4 rows here. So we're going to turn it landscape mode and grab these 2 outer rows. And then you're going to push them in together so those 2 rows in the middle meet. So it's like a little mountain that is very steep. And you're going to kind of fold it over to both sides to help you get some creases. Okay, so once you've got your creases, you're going to take your little steep mountain and you're going to cut in the center right here on the center fold. And you're just going to cut that middle row and leave the outside uncut. Okay, so once you've got that, you should have this top row here is the one that's cut. So we're going to hold it and bring your hands apart and then back together. So this middle part is going to meet in the middle. Kind of crease those, and you'll see it kind of makes like a plus sign here. So go ahead and get those creases. And then you're going to take these 2 sides right here, and you're just going to fold it in like a little book. And then I've got another one here, I finished. So you can see you've got the 8 pages here, and I've got everything numbered, front and back. And if you unfold it, you can see it's all on one side of the page. So you can make a photocopy of it, or you can take a picture of it and share it and have other people print copies, or however you'd like to do it, however you'd like to share it, if you'd like to share it. And then for the inside, so you can color, draw, whatever. I like to use fine tip markers to write on it. They're really nice. But you can use whatever you'd like, markers, paint, crayons, pencils, pens, whatever. And I've got some examples I've made here. And I've also used some magazine pictures to kind of add on to this one, and then this one's just a really simple favorite. So whatever you'd like to do with them. And once you've made yours, you can share them with us using #ILoveHPL. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you next time.